Hello, welcome once again to Gigi's Platter. And yes, today we are going to have Sumer Pasricha as our celebrity guest, and I shall be sending him an invite shortly. But before that, let me introduce you to Sumer Pasricha, and he is a great artist, I would say, creative person into a lot of finer arts. He's into acting, he's into singing, he's into dancing. And hi Neha, glad to see you here. And as I was telling that, yes, Sumer Pasricha is our guest today, and he is into a lot of things. He's into fine arts, and he's an actor, of course, but he's very, very, very well known as Pummy Auntie is trendsetter, and he has just gone viral with that. He's got amazing videos. There is sarcasm in that. There is, there's fun in that. There is so much of things happening in his videos. In fact, right now he's also doing something called Kitty Party with his friends, and that is also an amazing viral video, what I would say as Pummy Auntie. As I said, he's a trendsetter. He's been invited to on TED Talks and to speak about how he got into it. So I'm so honored to have him here and Gigi's Platter, and I am waiting for him to join us here. And yes, I have been very, very lucky to meet him, and he has cooked along with me, and he has cooked, in fact, a favorite dish of his mother, and that is methi paneer, and that was for Tata Sky Active. And I am waiting for him to join, and hopefully he should be joining shortly, and I've already be ready to welcome him, and we will be also playing some games with him, so I'm really excited about that also. And in fact, y'all can hi.
Hello, how are you, Garima?
आप कैसे हो?
बिल्कुल बढ़िया. Just setting the camera right in front.
Quarantine greeting you.
Quarantine has been good. Been doing lots of creative stuff. Cooking बहुत कम करता हूँ, but I've been just busy writing stuff, doing something or the other.
Right, and you actually cooked pasta a few days back, I think 3 days back or something. You were craving for pasta, Italian food, you said.
I was craving for it. Other day, I especially went out to the grocery store and bought pasta, spaghetti, blah blah.
Right.
And then
Oh, okay. And how's Rio?
Rio is doing good. बाहर है कहीं. इधर था अभी. मम्मी के कमरे में जाता, मम्मी के पास रहता.
Oh, okay. But he's missing going out and all. Is he getting cranky?
No.
He's happy.
घर बड़ा है, नाचता रहता है. दिल्ली है ना. बॉम्बे है ना, घर पे घबराया होता.
Okay.
We have a lawn in front, back, so he has ample of place to dance around.
Okay, that's nice. So, और क्या मतलब how is lockdown treating you otherwise? As in, what are the things you're missing in lockdown? कौन सी चीजें other than acting?
Frankly, I'm not missing anything. The reason I've been working from home since past 4-5 years any which way, because of Pummy and I'm so used to sitting at home now. Or यही होता. The only thing I think so I miss is going to a cafe and having a coffee.
Okay, so have you tried the Dalgona coffee, the latest craze which is going on?
Stupid challenge होते हैं इसके. घर में थे कॉफी कौन सब लोग बना रहे हैं.
We didn't know the name was that.
मेरे को नाम नहीं पता था कभी इसका डलगोना कॉफी.
हमारी होता फेटी में कॉफी पी रहे हैं, और मतलब कोई भी गेस्ट स्पेशल गेस्ट है तो लाइक बैठ के फेट रहे हैं.
मतलब कुछ भी, मतलब अब कोरोना क्वारंटाइन हुआ, मतलब कुछ करना है, चैलेंज कोई भी दे दो. पहले इंडक्शन शुरू हुई, कॉफी हुई, अब धीरे धीरे सब चैलेंजेस बंद हो जाएंगे. अभी और 2 महीने एक्सटेंड होगा, एंड देन इट विल बी.
Absolutely. So, a lot of plans of yours gone on hold because of this quarantine, or like you're still with most of the plans are just the way they are?
Sorry?
The plans, they've gone on hold, or they are just moving the way they were supposed to?
They are going slow. They are going, but it's all slow.
Okay, तो अभी तो आपके पार्टी वाले वीडियोस भी काफी अच्छे मतलब बन रहे हैं. The Pummy Auntie goes for the kitty parties.
वैसे कुछ तो करना है. कहाँ पे creatively active, I am happy. I don't mind is I'm okay without gymming, but I can't sit without creativity.
Absolutely. तो मतलब आप ये जो आइडियाज होते हैं ये सारे आपके मतलब just because of the observation around you या you have some it's all yours.
अब कुछ ना कुछ घर की कहानियां ही होती हैं आधा टाइम तो मम्मी कुछ बैठे फ्रेंड से बात कर रही होती है, अगर मेरे कानों में स्टोरी पड़ जाए मैं कहूँगा अरे ये तो मम्मी आंटी है, तो कुछ ना कुछ कहीं से कहानी निकल आती है.
Right. And how did this thought first occur? Like, कहाँ से create? Okay, let me go back right from the starting. How did the journey into acting and glamour world happen first of all?
Well, I have been acting since the age of 10, school theatre and all, and I've done couple of businesses in my life, but I think so all thing which remained forever was acting, my passion for acting. And वो theatre level पे था, but I never thought that I'll earn money out of it.
Okay.
But when I was doing theatre on a very serious note in Delhi, this I'm talking in year what?
जी.
2006, 8, 7, 8, 9 में उस टाइम बहुत ज़्यादा serious theatre करा था. Almost every second month I was doing some new play. That's when I started getting offers from Mumbai and I was like, I want to give it a try.
Right.
तो उधर जाएगा एक बारी तो 1-1.5 साल लगा कर तो वहाँ अब 10 साल हो गए मुंबई में.
Wow. And you've always been into fine arts, as in the dance and the singing and everything, right from the start. Okay.
Yeah.
So, I would like to
Very inseparable personalities, very inseparable we are. Creativity has to go around me.
Right. So, how does this idea of Pammi Aunty occur to you?
Well, I was just sitting casually. I had taken a sabbatical from Sasural Simar Ka when I met you. अब मैं इंटरेस्टिंग सा कुछ कर नहीं रहा था and one fine day I just thought of ranting few lines ऐसे टाइम पास के लिए, कुछ सीरियस नहीं सोचा था. कुछ 4-5 दिन रेगुलर डाला, अपना टाइम पास कर रहा था, अच्छा लगा लोगों को. तब तक वो कब वायरल हो गया मुझे पता नहीं चला, कब मैं फेमस हो गया मुझे पता नहीं चला. But if I see it took me almost 1 month to get famous or get noticed when I was doing this.
Right, and it just went on as in like the craze just increased. Abhi, I think even with Sasural Simar and everything that you've done, Pammi Aunty is one name which is like has been a. जी. So I just remembered कि I was telling the audience, I was introducing कि आप जब आए थे तो आपने मेरे साथ मेथी पनीर बनाया था, आपकी मदर की स्पेशलिटी डिश बनाई.
बड़ी देर हो गया बोलता हूँ बनाओ बहुत देर हो गया.
Right. So, how's the food scene there in Delhi? As in, you're getting everything जो सामान वगैरह मिल जाता है.
Mom stocked some food beforehand.
Okay.
The basic vegetables and daily stores are open.
Okay.
So whenever we have to, I think so 4-5 दिन में जाकर जो भी जरूरत का सामान होता है, we all get mama or somebody goes out.
Okay. So, but then the people now following at your area, they're about the lockdown.
Islands. I think so only people I get to see is outside departmental store, and that too they are maintaining that distance. If there are, I think so they are not letting more than 4-5 people inside. बाकी सब बाहर लाके रखे हुए हैं, so ऐसा, so which is nice.
Okay. So about the, I would like to know any particular memory कई बार होता है ना कि very memorable moment during the shoot or like maybe a crazy fan or like कोई anything that you would like to share, कुछ funny moment या very unique kind of an experience while shooting or.
बहुत है. शूट के टाइम पे जब लोग आते थे सेट पे, I remember ससुराल सिमर का and all सेट जब बहुत लोग आते रहते हैं ना शूट देखने के लिए बॉम्बे में. So we all meet जयती जी, निमिषा जी और वो ऐसा लगता था हम लोग जू में और कोई जानवर देखने आता है ना, तो शूट पे बस कार भर के आ रही है या कभी कोई बस भर के आ रही है या कोई इनोवा भर के आ रही है, उसमें 6-7 लोग परमिशन लेकर ऑफ कोर्स, तो ऐसे होता था फिर लोग आ गए देखने के लिए. So you know the funny thing we used to do, जयती जी आज आप क्या बने हो, and she would say आज मैं चिंपैंजी बनूंगी, तू क्या बनेगा, अच्छा आज मैं फिर ऐसा करता, आज मैं टॉर्टोइस बन जाता. This is one funny thing we used to go. And इस वाले कई लोग जब वो सेट के प्रीमाइसेस में आते थे ना, तो अगर बाई चांस कोई एक्टर बाहर घूम ही रहा, हम लोग अगर घूम ही रहे होते थे यहाँ खड़े हैं, तो आई रिमेम्बर somebody shouting, वो देखो शैलू दिख गया, वो देखो शैलू दिख गया. So it's like as if we go in the jungle and we say ना, वो देखो जिराफ दिख गया, वो देखो टाइगर दिख गया. So it's very funny how people come to shoots and it's like oh my god, and it's like हाँ फिर लोग आ गए, फिर हम लोग कहते थे चलो इसी में हमें पैसे दे दो, इतने लोग आते हैं फोटो खिंचाने के, हमें 10 रुपए दे दो. So I guess you're fun with these things.
Right, but then Gee, I think some of your friends are writing some things also. In fact, I was telling them that you also sing well and you are into singing and things like that. So, can I request you to sing your favorite song?
My favorite. I have many favorites.
Anyone?
Huh?
Anyone?
Anyone. तो हेमंत कुमार का गाता हूँ या ये नैन डरे डरे ये जाम हरे हरे जरा पीने दो
जी
किसी को खबर एक राह के निडर मुझे जीने दो
वाओ अमेजिंग वंडरफुल तो सर इसी को कंटिन्यू करते हुए एक गेम खेलें गानों का एक गेम खेलते हैं
आई ट्राई
या आप कोई प्राची पूछ रही हैं कि आपने उनको पहचाना या नहीं देयर इज somebody who's asking you that you recognize and
तुम पूछी जाओ कोई बात नहीं
तो इनफैक्ट वो लोग भी आपको हेल्प कर सकते हैं बिकॉज आई एम गोइंग टू गिव यू अ वर्ड और उस वर्ड से आप गाने गाइए चाहे वो पहली दो लाइन में कहीं पे भी आए वो वर्ड चलेगा
ओके
सो आई थिंक द मोस्ट
पहली लाइन में वो आना चाहिए वर्ड
पहली लाइन में जरूरी नहीं स्टार्टिंग वर्ड ही हो द वर्ड कैन एग्जिस्ट इन द पहली लाइन में कहीं पे भी एंड द मोस्ट इजीएस्ट एंड द कॉमन वर्ड यूज्ड इन हिंदी सॉन्ग्स इज प्यार सो आई वुड गिव यू द वर्ड प्यार
प्यार करने वाले कभी डरते नहीं जो डरते हैं वो प्यार करते नहीं
Right. Okay, that's one. You got 1 minute to sing as many songs with प्यार.
प्यार से गाने अच्छा अच्छा
और कहीं ना कहीं आना चाहिए.
किया नहीं जाता हो जाता है दिल दिया नहीं जाता समथिंग हो जाता है
Guys, sir can help him or request him for songs with प्यार word.
प्यार से और guys help me I need help then प्यार
सबसे बरसात का जो राज कपूर और नरगिस जी का बहुत फेमस
इकरार हुआ है प्यार से फिर क्यों डरता है दिल ये हो गया एंड देन प्यार किया तुमसे
जी सब
तो क्या प्यार होगी मेरे हालात की आंधी में बुझ जाओगी आई गेस क्या तो डरना क्या जब प्यार किया तो डरना जब प्यार किया तो डरना क्या बहुत सारे हो गए
So the last one, there is one more request and that's a nice one.
प्यार दीवाना होता है मस्ताना होता है
Who's your favorite singer? Or like who are the favorite singers? I'm sure there must be more than one.
My favorite will always be Lata ji and Hemant ji.
Okay.
इसके बाद वो और उनके आगे स्थान देता हूँ whether it was Mohammad Rafi ji and all, but Hemant da because I love too much of classical and his tonal quality of Bengali touch I love it. लता जी of course मैं बहुत सारे लता जी के गाने काफी के बैठने लगता हूँ and मुझे पता नहीं क्यों बचपन में लगता था कि मैं लता जी के साथ गाऊंगा कभी लाइफ के अंदर या पता नहीं क्यों ऐसा
Able to meet her?
उनको चिट्ठियां लिखता आज तक नहीं मिला किसी ने आज तक नहीं मुझे मिलवाया really want to meet her I know she doesn't meet any more much people because she's getting too sensitive and old and वो मिलती नहीं है ज्यादातर किसी को but then Hemanda Lata ji then of course Sonu Nigam I love a lot
Okay.
उसके बाद मुझे बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं
Okay. And since we're talking about your favorite things, what's your favorite food other than the Italian pasta that you were missing?
I like Thai food a lot.
You like Thai food? Do you cook that?
Yeah, I cook Thai food. बल्कि मैं सामान लेकर आया हूँ. I might just cook it tonight or tomorrow.
Oh wow.
So I love cooking Thai food. Yeah.
Okay. And a favorite movie?
All-time favorite would be Chupke Chupke, the old Amitabh Bachchan and Dharmender and Rishikesh Mukherjee. That's like all-time favorite. मुझे आती है मैं जरूर वो टीवी.
ससुराल सिमर का favorite character other than yours. And Mataji is like all-time favorite for everybody. Other than that also.
The other famous character which really got me intrigued was Billo, Khushi's character, Jyotsna plays it.
Oh, okay.
So, one character I used to like it जब उसके scenes आते थे ना मजा आता था because she used to do it brilliant.
Oh, okay. So there is one request for you also to sing Madha Lala Bigad Gaya if you can.
हाँ जिन्होंने request करी है उनको गाने दो. आगे तुम बढ़ो.
Okay. So now, what are the plans? As in, like, what are the next plans? Quarantine में मतलब जैसे खत्म होगा सबसे पहली चीज क्या करेंगे?
I guess I'll have a normal life. मेरे को कुछ ऐसा वो नहीं पड़ रहा कि quarantine खत्म हो. Of course, I will love and go to meet my cousins or probably my other family members who I'm unable to meet. Probably go at some. I won't say I have to go and. I don't think so.
Coffee. As you said, you're missing having coffee in the cafe.
बल्कि आज ही शायद मैं हो सकता है because I have to take my dog for his vaccinations. पास में भी एक इंजेक्शन उसका बचा है. तो उसके सामने एक कैफेटेरिया ने मैंने उस दिन बोर्ड देखा जब लास्ट डे में गया था उसका रेबीज का इंजेक्शन के लिए तो बाहर लिखा होता वी आर ओपन सो इफ दैट्स स्टिल ओपन आई माइट जस्ट गो ग्रैब टेक अवे कॉफी फ्रॉम कैफेचिनो.
Okay.
तो हफ्ता हो गया मुझे देखे बट इफ इट्स ओपन आई गो.
Okay, great. And what are the plans? When are the next kitty video coming up?
आज अभी एक रिलीज हुई है जियो सिनेमा के आप इंस्टाग्राम पे देखोगे एक बहुत अच्छा हमारा एपिसोड रिलीज हुआ जिसमें भी had collaborated with 12 actors. So it's brilliant videos. जियो सिनेमा के इंस्टाग्राम पे आ गई है, यूट्यूब पे आ गई है, सब जगह आ गई है. अभी पार्ट जब आपका साथ में लॉगिन करा था तो मेरे को मैसेज आया था जस्ट टैग मी. So have a look. It's episode 5 minutes where they are discussing कि शादी होनी चाहिए नहीं होनी चाहिए लॉकडाउन के अंदर क्या होना चाहिए. So it's amazing.
Okay. And can I request you to give one dialogue in the favorite Pammi auntie character? उनका एक बोलने का तरीका अलग होता है कुछ एक अलग any one dialogue like yeah maybe a message to the audience with Pammi auntie's the way of her with her feel.
Pammi auntie message जो मेरा गला बैठने लग गया कल पंजाब गवर्नमेंट के लिए भी दिया था क्योंकि Pammi auntie has a very peculiar
way of saying yes.
पहले मैं जब मैं कार बैठी हुई कोरोना वायरस जब पहले असी मां ने भी आंख पैटना शुरू कर दिता पहले मजाल है कि काम भी करने नहीं भिंडी कट्टी जा रही है मैं ही आटे कुछ करी पे पावा दिया पैया ने मोटियां हो गई सांड हो गई लेकिन पहले मजाल है कोई हेल्प कर
Wow, that was amazing. Will that actually come on the YouTube also on your channel because this is like very relatable to coronavirus and Pammi auntie must be really pareshan. She can't go out and she can't do things.
I know.
So I hope to get more of Pammi auntie on coronavirus and all. Actually getting irritated that people are not following the rules at times. She must be.
Pammi अपने घर के अंदर इरिटेटेड है बाहर तो निकलती नहीं है. हाँ. बट अपने घर क्योंकि बेटा कोई काम नहीं करता बहू कोई काम नहीं करता.
I know. Okay, so that reminds me another thing. Why the name Pammi? I mean, was it just across like that?
नाम डाल दिया.
तो ठीक है. The next game is again 30 seconds. लड़कियों के नाम with P.
Pammi, Pramila, Parakashta, Pavani, Purple.
एक पैरों में बच्ची है.
Pallav, Payal, Pallavi,
right.
Then Pooja, Prerna.
Oh, you already a winner. Wow, wonderful.
What was it?
I'm so sorry. So it was Great to have you live here and amazing. And I hope to see you again soon. And I hope to. I just wanted to talk about some live sessions that you are also doing on with celebrities. So what's that about?
Gaksha with Pammi Auntie happens every alternate day.
Yeah. So who's the next guest? I mean, is it open?
I have this Aditya and what's the other guy's name? Aditya and Amit. They are couple. They are couple designers from New York. Apparently, their wedding was very well talk of the world that time on the Vogue magazine and all. And they are designers doing lots of interesting stuff. So I've invited them to know their story, what is happening, and how this whole LGBT community stuff happened with them. So they are coming tomorrow. And yesterday with Geeta, my session didn't go well because of the internet problem. So Geeta Ma is coming tomorrow again, hopefully.
Oh wow. Okay. That is like something which I would love to look forward for because I love her spirit actually. She's an amazing person. Her eyes smile. Her eyes smile. She's a genuine person. So I would love to, be there and see her talk. So lovely having. And thank you so much for your time. And I hope to see you. Any message to the people? Any request for them to stay at home so that we can all be out together?
आजकल सारे समझदार है, इतना ज्ञान मिल रहा है, सबको पता है क्या करना है, सबको पता है घर में रहो, हाथ धो, सैनिटाइज करो, बाहर मत निकलो, काम करो. Most important is be positive and stop spreading fake news. That is more important because I hear lots of people are getting into depression. They are very restless at home. I talk with my friends. I try to motivate them because what happens with these things happen, we forget that what we are capable of, that we are creative people, we can do so many things. So make use of it, make use of the technology, learn things. YouTube पे सब जगह कितना कुछ है, सीखो कितना कुछ है करने को, rather than just sitting here करूँ कब खुलेगा है, मुझे बाहर जाना है, and just be very real, talk to your family, That's
Absolutely. So we don't get a glimpse of Rio before we go?
Huh?
Do we get a glimpse of Rio before we go?
रियो पता नहीं अब कहाँ है, उसको ढूंढना पड़ेगा घर.
Okay, no problem. Next time then maybe. And thank you so much and take care, be safe. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Bye.
Well guys, that was Sumer Pasricha and we had a lot of fun. He sang a lot of songs. He's an amazing singer. We got to know a little bit about his journey and his future plans. And tomorrow at 12 noon, I am having Karan Oberoi with me here on Gigi's Platter Live, and he's also an amazing singer. We'll be talking about his journey and also requesting him songs. We'll play a game with songs again. And if you have any other ideas about what games can be played in 1 minute, what kind of songs can be played, do message me on Gigi's Platter. Follow Gigi's Platter on Instagram as well as on YouTube. I have a YouTube channel by the name Gigi's Platter, which is related with cooking. And Sumer Pasricha के साथ का एक और दो वीडियो है rather when we have cooked together. And hope to see you all soon. Take care. Be safe. Bye bye.